Bam! What's up guys? Today I'm showing some toy gun and equipment. So let's begin the show. First of all, I have some bow and arrow. One bow and some arrow. First of all guys, I can show you. Wow! Toy bow. Tan tan tan. This is a pink and parrot green color combination toy bow. Okay guys. See the rope? This rope is black, yellow color, and it have a the razor light. It have a razor light. Okay guys. Wow, amazing. Then guys, I can show you this toy pot. This is a pink color toy pot. And guys, I can show you some arrows. Oh yeah. The various color of arrow. Nice. Okay guys, see? This is nice. Oh yeah. And how this bow, how the bow is work. First of all, you assemble it. Then turn, shoot. Okay guys, another time. Wow! Turn and shoot. Okay, then guys, I can show you this watch. See this watch? This watch is black color. Okay, see, only black color watch. Then guys, I can show you this. Wow! Silver and black color combination pen drive. Okay, see the pen drive? Nice pen drive. See? Wow, nice. The chain. Okay, nice guys. Then guys, I can show you this black, red and yellow color combination toy pistol. Okay guys, see this? Wow! Now see it properly. Black, red and yellow color combination toy pistol. It had a magazine that is black color. Okay, I assemble it. I assemble it properly, and guys, see how it works. Turn and shoot. Wow, another time. Turn and shoot. See, turn and shoot. Nice. Then guys, I can show you this toy big the monster shotgun. Okay, black, orange, yellow and deep orange color combination toy shotgun. This shotgun have a razor light. See, I assemble it. Oh yeah. Guys, I assemble it properly. See, now how nice it is. Yeah. Oh, assemble. Okay, and how this shotgun work? Turn and shoot. Another time. Turn and shoot. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye always.